Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to enable and disable double tap screen backup in Android mobile. Yes, it was an easy step to enable and disable. So let's get into video. First of all, go to setting option. This one, click it, and here you can slightly scroll down. Here you can see display setting is there. Click the display settings. Click it and slightly scroll down. You can see lock screen is there. This one, lock screen. Want to click lock screen option. Yes, click it, and here you can see the third option, double tap screen to wake. You can double tap to turn the screen off. Either default or classic theme is applied. Yes, click. It's enabled right now. You want to enable and as well as disable this option. So this is how to enable and disable double tap screen to wake up in Android mobile. Yes, so thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.